Here's how you add music to your sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, click the word Audio at the top of the screen to open the Audio workspace. Now, drag an audio clip from the Project panel to the timeline. To change the volume, click Open the Audio Track Mixer at the top. Note the controls at the bottom of the panel. You can play, stop, and even loop the playback from here. As your sequence plays, move the sliders up and down to increase or decrease the volume of each individual audio track in your sequence.
This is my story of returning home. To the land of the eternal spring. A la tierra de mis raíces.
Or slide the master control to adjust the audio level as a whole.
Who built towering cities of limestone in verdant jungles.
Be sure to stay out of the red zone to avoid distorting your audio.
Who still thrive in cities and colonial towns and on the shores of Lake Atitlan.